Hi, in this video, I would like to discuss about advanced use of replace function. So whatever use case I'm going to tell you, in this use case, you will have to aware about the find function, left function, and replace function. If you are good in all these functions, then you can apply this logic. So what is my use case? So see here, my use case is, here is my description of any invoice number. Okay, but invoice number available in each descriptions. So what you have to do, you have to pick the this invoice number dynamically. So here my invoice number is available here in seventh character, seventh digit. So here invoice number is available in seventh digit. Here I'm just extending few more digits. So this much character. And here my invoice number is in lot of digits. So how we can pick the invoice number from this descriptions? So in this invoice number, you have one key point. Every Before every invoice number, this invoice number keyword is written. Okay, so see here, every uh, before every invoice number you are getting this keyword invoice number. So this is the key point to pick the invoice number. Okay, so if you don't have any key point at that time, you cannot pick the data from mid description, mid of the description. So here I have invoice number to pick through the formula. So let's see here. Approach is, you need to remove all these values. All these value you have to remove. And in this output, you have to pick the invoice number from left side before blank. This is a blank, and before this blank you need to pick the invoice number. Okay, so this approach need to follow through the function. So let's see how we can do it. First, you need to identify the position of this blank before the invoice number. You have to pick the blank. Okay, so here you need to pick this invoice number position, and here you need to pick the invoice number position. Okay, so how we can pick the position before invoice number of blank? So this blank position I need to pick. So let's see. First, I need to move my pointer. I need to move my pointer till this blank. Okay. So how we can do it? So you need to write here equal to find. So you have to pick the invoice number. So here I'm just writing invoice number, invoice number, comma, take reference of this, bracket close and enter. So you are getting position of this I. Okay, not this I. You are not getting position of this I. You are getting position of this I. This I. Why? Because in this find function, I'm checking position of invoice number, but I will not get position of complete invoice number. I will get position of this I in this description. So you are getting 19. So 19 is position of this I. So let's see, you can check here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19. Okay, so this is the position you are getting here. Okay, so now drag in downside, you will get different positions here. So see here, this is a 21 position of this IE. Okay, now you have to reach on this position. This position means blank space position. So how many character I need to do plus here? So you need to do plus from I is already there, position of I is already there. You need to add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14th. So you have to add 14 to move your pointer on this place. So you have to write here plus 14. Done. So now your position is 33 of this in blank. This 35 is a position of this blank. This 47 is position of this blank. So this much character you have to remove from first character to blank position. Okay. So how we can do it? So you need to write here replace function, old text, you have to take reference of this data, this description, start number, from which character you want to replace. I want to replace from first character, comma, which first character? This first character you have to replace till this space. Okay. So number character means how many character you want to replace. I want to replace this much character, whatever output I'm getting through this formula. So as of now, I'm getting 33. So from first character to 33 character, I will replace from left side, comma, what will be new text? I don't want to take here new text anything. So you need to take here inverted comma twice, enter. Now you can see here all the data before invoice number is removed. So this output you are getting. So what you have to do? As of now, you have this output. So if I talk about, you can apply here left function. So left function picks the data from left side. So here I'm taking reference of this and comma, find position of blank. Position of blank, you have to take this one in which one? This one. Bracket close, enter. Now see here, I'm getting this invoice number. So this is the way, but here I have applied few parts of the formula here, few parts of the formula here, but I don't want to apply formula here. In same formula I want to apply. So you will have to do here. So here you need to copy this formula. So I have copied it. Now what you have to do, you need to pick the position of blank. In which output? This output. Find position of blank. Okay. So in this output, in this formula output, you will get position of space. So this formula output is this data to this data. This data, this invoice number to till 2022. This invoice number to clear. Okay. This is the output of this formula. So in this, your blank position will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th. So see here output will be 7th. Okay, 8th. Let me check why I'm getting it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes, blank position is 8th. So you are getting 8th position. So see here I'm dragging. So you are getting position of this blank from this position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is the 10th. So here I'm getting 12th. So here, let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So this is space position you are getting. So now in this output, I need to pick 8 character from left side. So 8 character from left side means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Till space I will pick from left side. So you need to copy this formula, because output of this formula will be this output, this invoice number to last word. Okay, now you have to copy this formula, and now you need to apply here left function, paste here, comma. So this formula will give you output of this data, this invoice number to this invoice number to this invoice number to this, and this output will give you position of this blank from this invoice number to this blank. Okay, now that much character you have to pick in this output. This output means this output, this one. Okay, enter. Now you will get invoice number. Yes, this is a little bit difficult, but your practice will make it easy. Thank you so much for this video. I will come up with new topic in next video. Thank you so much.